There's a setting that you should enable on your Galaxy Watch right now. Also, I'm giving away this amazing design from Yosash watch faces, so don't miss it out. Okay, when you install a watch face on your Galaxy Watch, you have to long press on your existing watch face, tap on Add Watch Face, and now you have to find that new watch face that you recently installed. But there's a setting that you should enable and it will help a lot. For that, go to Google Play Store on your Galaxy Watch, swipe down and tap on Settings. Here you will see an option that says Always Set Watch Faces. So this option will set new watch faces after they are installed. Now let's check it out. I'm going to install this watch face, that is Yosash H395. It will automatically replace my existing watch face. This is a lot handy option and I think you should check it out on your Galaxy Watch. Now moving on to the watch face. This is Yosash H395, a hybrid design. I have many coupons for this face. Just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Also, this face is discounted for a limited time at just 49 cents. The background information shows our step counter on the left side, while in this section you can add 2 more custom shortcuts. For example, if I tap on this one, I can add a new shortcut. About customization, you can change a lot of color options with this face. First, you can change the color option with this design right here. Now you can see that it is changing. Next, you can change color of this bar in the center like this. You can also change the color option with watch hands. And in the end, you can change the color of time and information highlighted in the background. So give this face a try and let me know what you think about this setting on Galaxy Watch. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.